Welcome to this simple tutorial for the template containing 15 laptop animations with a replaceable screen. The procedure for changing the laptop screen is the same for each of the 15 templates. To replace the laptop screen, go to the Project panel in After Effects, expand the folder 1 Edit Comps, and double-click on the composition placeholder screen. This will open the composition that controls the content displayed on the laptop screen. Inside this composition, you can place images, videos, or create animations that will later appear on the laptop screen. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will insert an image here. Once your content is ready, you can switch to the Final composition to preview the result. You can also change the color of the laptop background. To do this, open the placeholder background composition. Here, you can edit the color of the existing solid layer called placeholder background, or replace it with your own image or video. Go back to the final composition to see the result. When you are ready, you can render your clip. Remember to render the final composition as it is the one intended for export. Thank you for watching this tutorial and see you in the next one.